Hey guys, RB the Garden Nanny. It is a beautiful day. I have been sitting out in the veranda just enjoying the view, enjoying the flowers, enjoying the fountain right there. And I've been cleaning up here and there, and I just decided to sit down, listen to some podcasts, listen to some YouTube videos, and I have been wanting to grow some cucumbers. I just finished harvesting my potatoes. Had a wonderful harvest, over 200 potatoes that were harvested from organic store-bought potatoes. So if you have not checked out that video, I will leave the link in the description box. But I have some girlfriends that I gave pickles to several years ago. It's been a while since I've given out pickles. And I was at Botanical Garden here in Missouri, and I found this homemade pickles cucumber by Hudson Valley Seed Company. And it was at the Missouri Botanical Garden, and I thought, perfect. I will give that a try. It's a $5 package. Won't need a whole lot of seeds, but I am going to use this. Also thought I would use, I got this free, and I think it was I don't remember, but anyway, I got this free, and it's by Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds, and I would give that a try as well. So those are the two I'm going to use in my raised bed. Like I said, I just removed the potatoes, and I'm going to use an A-frame to start these seeds. The A-frame that I'm going to use, A-frame plant trellis, I found at one of my garden centers, and I'm going to give it a try. I've been looking at doing an A-frame. So this is the area where my potatoes were. Still have the straw in there, and I may use that. I'm gonna pull it back for now, let it germinate, and then after it germinates, then I'll put the straw back on it. Right next to it, I have sugar baby watermelon and some red peppers. And here, these are Pepper from Heaven red. And I also have my favorite Sun Gold. I've already been picking from that container. So in here, I'm gonna take this trellis out. I'm gonna rake straw. You don't have to have all of it raked, but you want to also be able to see the seedlings pull up. I don't have a lot of biotone left, but I am going to use what I have left, and I'm going to use some bone meal. Watermelons are looking pretty good. Got some beautiful flowers in there. Put all that's left in here. Not much. will not be intimidated, bee. You can enjoy my garden, but I will not be intimidated by you. I love you. Stay in my garden, but I will not be moved. We're going to use this tool. So I don't need a whole lot of cucumbers, but I will do a row, a short row of these homemade pickles. Probably around 4 seeds, and then I'll do 4 of the others. And we'll see what germinates. I'm just going to make a trench. There we have it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Whatever germinates really well, we'll keep the first 2, and the other 2 I will get rid of. I don't need a lot of cucumbers. You usually get a lot from 1 seed. And of the Baker Creek cucumber DAR, I'm going to do 4 as well. Okay, 4 seeds. So I'm going to do another little trench. And put 4 seeds in that trench. Spaced out. 2, 3, and 4. And that is it. I'm going to put my trellis in. Me having a very small garden, this trellis is perfect. Okay. I'm just going to push the soil over top of the seeds. And that is it, guys. I'm gonna put a sign on the stake. I no longer need the potato. The sugar snap peas. So I'm going to put the names right on here. So I made a tag for the homemade pickles, 6/21/24, and the Dar cucumbers by Baker Creek, 6/21/24. And that is it, guys. I'm going to give it a good water. This area gets lots of sun. It just happens to be after 5 p.m. So the shade is, the sun is going down on this area. But I'm looking forward to growing cucumbers and making lots of pickles. And you know, I may end up keeping all of the seeds if they germinate, because I would like to give some away, pickles away, and I enjoy keeping some myself. So we'll see what happens. All right, that is good enough. It's that simple. And I will keep you posted.